it's your Healthy Hair and welcome back to my channel. Today's special video is going to be the unboxing of my new products. So let's just get at it. I ordered my products on Monday before noon and got them Tuesday by noon. Okay, the struggle is actually real. We can crop this all in, right guys? So, I bet you guys are wondering where I got my products from. We're about to see. Oh my gosh, packing peanuts! Okay. So here in my fancy dancy box, we got my receipts. Lots of packing peanuts. Lots of packing peanuts. Lots of packing peanuts. You guys see in my box? Oh my gosh. So we got some hair vitamins, guys. We got the Main Choice Metabolism Plus. This has 60 capsules in it. We got 2 bottles here. We got 3 bottles here. And we also have the Main Choice Soft as Can Be 3-in-1 conditioner. We got the Main Choice Easy on the Curls shampoo. We got the Main Choice Easy on the Curls conditioner. We got the Main Choice Green Tea and Carrots Deep Strengthening Mask. So a nice deep conditioner. And last but not least, we got the Main Choice Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil. And what else we got? More peanuts. Alrighty, so basically, as you guys can see, I got myself all these nice products. I cannot hold these in my hand, so I'm not going to pretend that I can. So I'm going to be doing a challenge for the rest of the year. I'm going to put the health back in healthy hair. So I'm going to be utilizing all these products here to help me achieve my hair goals of healthy hair. And we'll see how that goes. So I have everything that I need to start out. I have my vitamins for 3 months, and then I have some more. And then I have everything I need. So I'll be using their shampoo, conditioner, leave-in conditioner to help me on this progress. If you guys are interested in seeing how it goes, please tune in for more videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and like this video. Adios. I like it.